Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is Indus X Summit. The third edition of the Indus X Summit, aimed at bolstering the defense innovation ecosystem between India and the United States, recently concluded on 10th September. The two-day summit, held from 9th to 10th September, was organized by the US-India Strategic Partnership Forum and Stanford University. One of the major outcomes of the summit was the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between India's Innovations for Defense Excellence and the US Department of Defense Defense Innovation Unit. This agreement is set to enhance cooperation in defense innovation and deepen collaborations across industry, research, and investment sectors. Other key highlights of the event included the announcement of a new challenge under the Indus X initiative, the release of the Indus X Impact Report, and the launch of an official Indus X web page on the IDEX and DIU websites. The summit offered a platform for startups and MSMEs from both nations to showcase next-generation technologies. It also facilitated crucial discussions through the Senior Advisory Group and Senior Leaders Forum, two advisory bodies under the Indus X framework. The discussions focused on future technology trends, capacity building for startups, funding opportunities for defense innovations, and strategies to strengthen defense supply chains. Launched during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US in June 2023, the Indus X initiative has achieved considerable progress in a short span of time. The initiative is steered by IDEX on behalf of Ministry of Defense and the DIU under the US Department of Defense. Now it's time for the practice question. Indus X Summit, aimed at bolstering the defense innovation ecosystem between India and which of the following countries? Australia, Indonesia, Israel, United States of America. Give us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।